Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will be explaining to you guys shortly how you can get any cash back on your Amazon purchases. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, as you can see, I'm using a third party, I guess you could say, article on this, since I do not actually know how to do that via Amazon. So if you want, just check out this article. It should clear everything up to you. However, I'll just quickly go over what is written in this article and I'll try to explain to the best of my abilities. So what cashback is basically every time you make a purchase via Amazon, part of that cash gets sent back to you, which is a way that you can save money so that you can make other purchases, as is logical. Now, the first thing that you can do and can use is a cashback credit card. These, I'm a bit skeptical about using these. These might be either scams or pyramid schemes. These tend to pop up, so just be sure to check out whatever you are using. If it's a cashback credit card, make sure that you rigorously read through every terms and services of it. Make sure you're in the loop about what it is, to make sure that it's not a pyramid scheme or a Ponzi scheme or something like that. But yeah, cashback credit cards are a way which you can get cashback on your purchases. And yeah, it just rewards you with money every time you purchase it. Another similar thing is cashback apps. Pretty much the same applies to them. So be careful when using them. Now, you do have Amazon branded rewards cards, such as the Prime Visa, which offers 5% cashback on Amazon and Whole Foods purchases. So that is one thing that you can use. Another thing I would recommend you use is services and websites such as Honey, which will, of course, give you, it will search the net for you pretty much to give you recommendations on any vouchers and coupons currently active, and it'll automatically apply them for you. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you in another video.